One wonderful time always, and I actually got this video that I like to talk about, and this right here is the video. And in this video, the guy is talking about the digestive system of a human being, and it yet got to me because it is interesting how it took all that amount of time for people to understand what is happening within the human body. So let's just go through this video just shortly.
Bile. So these cells are constantly absorbing these nutrients. Okay, and of course they're broken down from the acid in the stomach, the enzymes in the stomach, and a lot of the enzymes within the small intestine, as well as the pancreas as well as the bile does help break down the fat to a certain level, so then the enzyme can break it down even more. But at some point, it needs to be absorbed into these little cells. One interesting thing about these cells, or this layer of cells, is
So this is the part where it gets more interesting within the virtual reality, because if we look at the history of man from the Stone Age, you will see that it took thousands of years before we were able to do operation, were able to open the skin of open the stomach of someone and look in it and perform surgery and other kind of a medical breakthrough. It took years, right? So imagine if that was all a tax within a game, right? Say you're playing GTA, for example, or you're playing um yeah, GTA, Mortal Kombat, um space shooter, right? Within this game world, it's like 2000 plus years, but outside it's just probably 1 hour or 2 hour for the person that is holding the controller. This might be the controller, for example, right? So so all that, it costs time, it costs tools, right? The exact amount, the exact knowledge that was needed to build microscope, for example, a microscope, injection, for example, and the result. Now we all are experiencing the result. We got a good health care, although the health care is not 100% working. But if those responsible for healthcare want to make it 100% workable, it can be at this point in time. So coming back to the hemo energy field, the part that we cannot see with our two eyes of this eye, right? Because according to research, we only see, is it 5% or 10%? We only see lesser percentage with this physical two eyes. The rest of the percentage we don't see it. We don't see microbes, right? So um imagine how many years it would take us to be able to see the whole, to see, to study, and for it to become mainstream, right? And guess what? Those that the elites, those that are at the top of the pyramid scale, they are the ones who playing with this stuff right now. They are the ones who they are able to see a whole territory, expand it, manipulate it, do XYZ to it. Why? It's because they are seeing. So if we are a person living in this time, in this day and age, that should be your priority to be able to reach that level, regardless of And in fact, it's a must. Whether you is your desire or not, this is a game, and you will have to continuously expand, and your expansion will lead you to this exact train of thought. So yeah, that was just a short video, and we stay here.